अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? वेलकम टू आवर स्पेशल वीडियो all about Ramzan and fasting, especially for kids. And today we are going to explore what Ramzan is, why Muslims fast during this month, and how kids can enjoy in the celebration. So, first thing first, what is Ramzan? Well, Ramzan is a month in the Islamic calendar that holds a lot of importance for Muslims all around the world. It's time for reflection, prayer, and fasting. Fasting during Ramzan, basically, it helps people appreciate the blessing that they have and to remember the importance of helping others. But can kids participate in Ramzan too? Absolutely. Now you might be wondering, is fasting hard for kids? Well, fasting can be challenging, but kids can start with a small fast and listen to their bodies. It's important for them to stay hydrated and to remember that fasting is not just about food and drink, but also about being kind and patient. So here are some Ramzan journaling ideas I'm going to give to you guys. Like encourage kids to write about their thoughts and feelings each day during Ramzan. They can reflect on their fasting experience, their interaction with others, and what they are grateful for. And have kids write about the kind deeds they do each day, whether it's sharing food and a friend, helping out around the house, or saying kind words to someone. And encourage your kids to jot down their favorite moments from each day of Ramzan. It could be a funny conversation with a family member, a special meal they share, or a beautiful sunset they witness while breaking their fast. And if kids participate in daily prayers during Ramzan, they can write about their experience with prayer. They can reflect on how they feel before and after praying, what they pray for, and any insights they gain during prayer. So it's all about this page is all about this. And have kids write down their favorite Ramzan recipes or the new foods they have tried during the month. They can also write about the memories with these food and who they share with them with. Now, most important is have kids set goals for themselves for the month of Ramzan. They can write down what they want to achieve or personally during this time. They can write down on this page about fasting, Salah, Quran, and other random thing which they want to write. Encourage kids to write about what they eat for a sehri. Each day during Ramzan, they can describe their favorite food, how they prepare them, and why they enjoy eating them before fasting begins. And Kids write about the process of waking up for Sari and getting ready for the day of fasting ahead. And now it's this page is about Iftar. Encourage your kids to write about the special traditions their family observe during Iftar. They can describe the food they eat, the prayer they say, and any other customs that make Iftar unique for them. Iftar is often a time when families come together to break their fast and share a meal. Kids can write about the conversation they have their family member during Iftar, the memories they create together, basically. And on this page, they can write about sadka. Encourage kids to write about the different ways they can show kindness to others through sadka. They can give ideas for giving such as donating money, their time, or performing acts of service for those in need. Have kids write about their experience with giving sadka. And here and designing a prayer mat involves different elements that are both functional and spiritual, meaningful. What they want to draw and paint. And on this page, they can write their experience about Ramzan and moments they spent in Ramzan. And most memorable experience was attending Tarawih prayers, the atmosphere, and the verses they learned. It was a powerful reminder of the unity and community spread at Ramzan. Throughout the month, we gain deeper values of gratitude and self-discipline. Hope you like this Children Ramzan journal, and give me your valuable feedback in comment section. And hope you like my videos and share with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel and give me your feedback about this journaling idea.